Hi everybody, welcome to this video titled Sales and Inventory Forecast, part of the Azure AI and Machine Learning inside of Dynamics 365 Business Central. Thank you so much for being a part of this video series. My name is Craig Kreskis, and this is a complement to the Copilot inside of Business Central video series that have been published. And I want to say thank you. Thanks for being a part of this education series. These videos to learn how to demonstrate all of these functions that you could present to your customers and prospects. Now, I am including for you to read up a little bit more on this extension. Now, this is a first-party extension, which means it is something that we at Microsoft have published for customers to install. I have this all available in my demo environment, but the documentation you can see here provides you with a little more detail beyond maybe what the video is going to discuss. So for example, how you go and set up the connection to Azure AI. We make that connection set up for you already. However, maybe customers want to set up their own connection to their own Azure AI instance. So that's available for you here in this video. What I'm going to demonstrate how I demonstrate this to customers and prospects. So with your demo tenant up and running inside of Business Central, I go ahead and click on Items. You'll see now for the first time there's a blue ribbon that helps you set up that forecast. So you can click it. It's a one-time setup. You can accept the terms and you click OK. Now, if you want to learn more about kind of behind the scenes and change some of that configuration setting, certainly select Alt plus your Q key, and you can do a search on the image analyzer extension and make some changes there. In terms of the demo, once that's set up, you can just simply click on the information icon. And here's that forecast app. It's built into the right-hand information pane. And you can see, and this is how it demos, is based on the Athens desk, which is highlighted, you can see the forecast for inventory over the next several months. Now, as an end user, I can switch to the sales forecast. And from here, it tells a different story, right? So I had a positive inventory. However, my sales are very strong, so which means I probably need to take action, and depending on my security rights or my role in the organization, either create a purchase order or a purchase invoice. And that's kind of the design here, is to help streamline some of the decision making by looking quickly at what the inventory looks like combined with the future sales. And then, of course, some of the additional embedded intelligence I put in here is that Business Central recognizes that I have other items from this vendor that I usually purchase, and maybe I can get better terms by adding that. So it's a very short video, a short demo, but at least gives you a sense of how the sales and inventory forecast extension works and how you can set it up in your own demo environments. Again, thank you so much for being a part of this video, Sales and Inventory Forecast. My name is Craig, and I look forward to seeing you on a video again real soon.